So hello guys, this is Shubham Bhardwaj and I am a Salesforce developer working in an India-based company. So first of all, thank you so much Shakti Sir for giving me this opportunity to showcase myself over your channel. And let's start with the Salesforce journey. So when I am in my graduation, so in third year, I came to know about Salesforce from one of my friend, Aviral Agrawal. Now he's a Salesforce MVP. So he introduced Salesforce in our college, and our college started giving trainings to students, and that's how I get trained in Salesforce. Before knowing about Salesforce, I have some experience in digital marketing, Java and Python. But later on, when I moved back to Salesforce, there is no way back. I completely indulged into the Salesforce technology. I also created a YouTube channel along with my journeys. And the idea behind the YouTube channel is just to document my own Salesforce journey. Whatever the things I'm going to learn in my journey, I'm going to document it and create a video on it. So that's how I started posting videos on YouTube, and by the grace of God, people start loving those videos and giving me a quite good response. And then I started creating more content that can help people out there in the Salesforce ecosystem. So there are a lot of people who encouraged me during my journey, especially Amit Singh, Akashdeep Arora and Aviral. These are like constant source of motivation, but there are a lot of people apart from this, and it will going to be a very long list. So mainly the people I mentioned, I get a very huge constant support from them. So let's move to the computer screen. I'm going to show you what are the ventures I started in Salesforce ecosystem to help people, and here we go. So let's say first of all, I'm going to navigate into my YouTube channel. So simply you need to visit YouTube and type Salesforce Geek, and on the top you will see my channel. So if you click on it and navigate into the channel and go to the playlist section, you will see various playlists available over there. Let's say for Salesforce record triggered flows. So my channel is mostly focused on flows and Salesforce mock interviews for now, but my future goals is to produce Salesforce admin and Salesforce Apex development content. So probably after April you will see a lot of content regarding Salesforce admin and Salesforce Apex development. After this, I will let you know, I am also very active on LinkedIn. I share my tips and tricks which help me in my Salesforce journey. So make sure you connect with me over LinkedIn. You will get a lot of values from my LinkedIn posts. So right now, as you can see, I provided some tips for the Salesforce beginners. So that's how I provide value over LinkedIn and share content over LinkedIn. I am very much active on LinkedIn. After this, I have another venture, which is my Telegram community, which is called Salesforce Geeks. So right now we have around 3,600 members in our Telegram channel, and I post content related to Salesforce, like all about Salesforce. It can be anything. Like if I feel this resource need to be shared among the folks, so I share over there. Let's say there are some job opportunities, so I also share those job opportunities over this channel. So you can also take part in this channel as well. Now the fourth thing which I want to share with you is my Salesforce Geek website. So we post content related to Apex, flows, lightning and mock interviews. You can check out a lot of articles over there. Let's say this is the latest one for flows, and this is the latest one for roll up summary trigger for lookup relationship, and we have lot of more. So we kind of provide scenario based learning, right? I try to provide content so that a beginner can also understand, like, okay, what is going on with these scenarios. So that's how I am providing value into the Salesforce ecosystem, and these are my platforms where I create content on daily basis and share with the people. So I hope you like the content, and that's it. Thank you so much for listening me.